Sometimes it becomes very difficult to look for a particular slide. You can remember a word, but you can't know where the slide is. Or you are looking for a particular word which you are not getting. Or they've asked a question and you are taking the keyword from the question. You want to find where exactly it is, and you don't know how to go about it. Excel have a displayed a unique tool. You can easily do this through the whole slide. Come on the home tab, choose find on the editing group, and you click on it. And once you click on display this menu, so I may want to search for a particular word. So if I type plan, then click on next, so it quickly brings me to slide 10, and that is where plan is being written. It is in other places, but this is the first one that has been identified, plan. Now if I want to find the next one, just click on find next. So the next one is inside the plan here. If you want to continue to do it, you can continue to find it, and they said that's the last word found. So it's only two words that contains the word plan inside this presentation. Now if I want to change the word plan to a different word, you can use the replace here, or just click on this button here, quickly replace, and type what you want to replace the plan with, plan, or which other word you want to use. So I can say prepare, and you click on replace. Now you can use the replace here, or you can use what, replace all. One thing you should remember is that if you are using the replace all, anywhere you see the plan is going to replace it with prepares. And remember, when we're doing it, it picks up this place to us one of the plans. So when you put prepares, it's going to be prepares, prepare, the ning will come inside there, which we don't want. So it's good to use only the replace button, so that you can get only this one being replaced with the prepare. So unless you are very well sure that all the words you are going to replace is what you need to do, so that you will not replace words that you don't need to do, you use the replace all. For now, I don't want to replace it. You can just leave it as it is. So this tool can be used to do a lot of selections in your presentation. Thank you very much for watching.